Well, hi there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really happy you're back here again. Again, my name is Andrew Ask. Channel's Andrew Ask, and we talk about high ticket affiliate marketing, sales, business, and life in general if we need to. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you're on your desktop, and if you're on your mobile, like a lot of people are, please go back and hit subscribe. Give me a like. Follow me on Facebook as well. It's all right there on my page, and we can connect. And if I can help you in any way, I would love to. So today what I want to talk about is just something a little history about me. So my father was a journalist. He owned his own newspaper. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? He owned his own newspaper in a town of 425 people in a very small town in Missouri. The town was called Hale, Missouri. Shout out to Hale, H-A-L-E. That's where I was born and raised for the first 10 years of my life. Anyway, but my father was a journalist. He was editor and owner of his own newspaper, and that's what he loved to do. And he passed away when I was 9, so I didn't get a lot of nuggets of wisdom from him. But one thing I can remember him always having written down on his desk, or when he began to write a story, he would always practice the 5 W's. Okay? The 5 W's are who, what, where, when, and why. And the reason I want to talk about this a little bit is because I know some people struggle with content, making videos like this, maybe getting on TikTok, Facebook, stuff like that. Struggle with what do I want to talk about? And this has helped me in the past. So I'm looking right down here because I sometimes still need to keep it fresh to me. I leave it right here on my desk. When I'm writing a content or trying to put some story together, I do the who, what, where, when, and why. And I will show you, it doesn't necessarily have to be in that order for your story to make sense, but it does work better for me. Because one thing I like to try to offer is a solution in my videos, not just talk about what worked, but talk about what didn't work and then what I'd use to make it work. So when I was struggling with content, I went to the who, what, where, when, and why, 5 W's. The who is going to always be, what's this going to, who will this affect? Who will this benefit? One thing, when you're thinking about who am I talking about? I'm talking about me in this story, and now I'm talking about my father. So, and what happened? When I'm talking about the what is, what exactly happened? So what happened is that I was having troubles making content. I was struggling with putting I'd get an idea, but I couldn't put a story around it, okay? So the what was me trying to just come up with what can I do in my way? What was my contribution? Where is this going to take effect? What can I, where can I do this? If I'm doing content, so if I'm talking about doing affiliate marketing, where can you do that? You can do that at your home. You can do that anywhere. You can do it in your car. You can do it anywhere. Your laptop has power and you can have an internet connection. You can do affiliate marketing. You can do it from your phone, really. So let's even back up and make it simpler than that. You can do a lot of it from your phone. The when. When am I going to get started in this? Or when did I get started in this? And, will I have to work all the time? So asking myself those questions of when is this going to take place? And when is it going to happen? When did this story happen? And then again, of course, like I said, I like to get to the why. The why is, why am I telling you this? Why am I offering you this solution? Why am I talking about affiliate marketing? Well, I'll break that down. I'm talking about affiliate marketing because I feel it's the thing that has saved my life. And what do I mean by that is that I lost my job. I was unemployed for almost a year now and struggling with the concept and idea of having to take that other job, go back to that other job, that other career, and just grind it out, literally grind it out. And I came across the idea of affiliate marketing. Now, I had tried to start my own business before with a wood shop, but I struggled with my wood shop because first, it was a hobby, not a career, and B, I didn't know how to market it very well. I didn't have a marketing department, and then I didn't want to spend that much time on the computer. I want to spend that more time on the table saw. So when I came across this, I learned, you can learn how to market, you can learn how to sell through marketing. And I learned those skills. So affiliate marketing for me became my why. Became the why of how I was going to provide for my family, how I was going to create peace, solidarity, financial security. Affiliate marketing has opened up a broad stroke of opportunities for me. Yes, it's about putting together an offer through a sales funnel to a client, connecting to them with your story. But the other skills that I've been able to pick up just through the 15-day challenge alone are true marketing skills, ad skills, skills that I didn't know I had in me, but were drawn out through going through that 15 days. I can't stress it enough. It's an amazing program. It's well worth the $7 it costs, because I don't know where else you can get a $7 education. You at least have to buy 2 beers to get an education at a bar, and that'll cost you $10. All kidding aside, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you had a chance to hit the subscribe button, follow and like. I do appreciate it. Your support is great. And if you're looking to get into high ticket affiliate marketing, send me a message. I'd be happy to help. In fact, I would love to help. Have a great night. Thanks.